Hey guys, thanks for stopping by today. Hello all tastemakers, I appreciate your support. So glad you're here and stay tuned for the video.
I was at the Food Depot and saw this bag of seafood called Seafood Festival Shrimp and Crab Pot. I've never had it before. Wanted to take a look at it, give it a shot, and see what it tastes like. So let's see what's in it. So it says there are 7 shrimp, 2 mussels, 1 snow crab section. The package says in a 6-quart pot, add 4 quarts of water, bring to a boil, slowly empty contents into pot, cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Internal temperature should be 145 degrees. So I have the water boiling or heating up. Hadn't reached the boil yet, but as soon as it reaches the boil, I'll go ahead and put the bag in. So I was actually wrong about the amount of shrimp, crab, and mussels that are in the bag. Actually, what I was talking about before is a serving size. This is what the frozen shrimp and crab look like. There are a ton of shrimp in here. Quite a few mussels, and looks like maybe 1 cluster of snow crab. The seasoning is already in there. But I did add a little seasoning to the boiled water. The water has reached the boil, so I'm going to go ahead and add the seafood. There is a ton of seafood in this bag. It says a 3-pound bag, so this is what it looks like frozen in the bag before I put it into the boiling water. So this is what it looks like in the water. So it has to come back to a boil, and then it has to boil for about 7 minutes, and it should be ready. So this is the back of the bag, and that's what I was talking about. So actually, it has 9 servings. So what they're saying, a serving size is about 4 ounces, and then that's about 7 shrimp, 2 mussel, and 1 snow crab section. So that's a serving, but it has 9 servings in a bag, and the bag is about 3 pounds. All right, I guess we'll see what we got. So this is what the finished product looks like. It looks good. The shrimp are a little small. The mussel looks good. The crab legs look good. Again, the crab legs are a little small. But let's give it a taste and see what it tastes like. I always have melted butter with my seafood. The shrimp are good. Let's try the mussel. The mussel is very good. Everything so far is fresh. Let's try some snow crab. The snow crab looks fresh. Let's dip it in some butter. The taste of the snow crab is good. You know, the legs are a little small, but the taste and the freshness is good. I think for $22, $23, I think that's a good deal. Typically in the seafood restaurants, you probably pay about $45 to $50 for the same thing. The quality may be a little better, but for $22, I'll take this. So based on what it tastes like, what it looks like, and the freshness, I'll give this a thumbs up. I would definitely buy it again. So the Seafood Festival by Seabest that I found at the Food Depot was a good choice.